Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, November 13, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. The Dow had a good day today again. It opened lower, as it's been doing almost every morning, and then it rallies, and it rallied all day long, and a little pullback here, but then it came back and ended up with a respectable close of up 92 points. And of course, that again sets another all time record high for the Dow Jones Industrial Average. So, as things stand right now, that index does not look like it's going down, folks. And it's got a long ways to go. We had kind of a lukewarm day. We had $2,000 positive on the close yesterday. We did pretty well with that. We got out of that with positive 5,000. So that was good. We improved our positions on those six stocks that we held coming in. I don't know. You, you, this action at Dow wasn't very correlated with what we were doing. We got into 9 positions, 4 were positive and 5 were negative. Nothing was really bad except we got into one bad position in Degas, which is short natural gas. And that's always kind of a skitsy stock, and we're carrying like negative $3,000 and something in that. So that's why we ended up negative $3,189 in our open trade going into tomorrow. It's basically all in that one stock, Degas. The only thing I can say is that Degas is notorious for flipping overnight, and this thing could flip overnight in our favor. Um, but then again, it could flip overnight against us too. I've always considered Degas as kind of a coin toss when it comes to profits or loss. So we'll just have to see what happens. Uh, the only thing I had to show you is our exits. So I'll show you 2 of those that turned out pretty good. This first one is ARWR, which is Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals. And we had bought this yesterday, beginning of the 3rd hour or so. And it it closed slightly in our favor, popped up there for our exit this morning, and we took $2,200 out of Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals right there shortly after the open, and then it kept going. We get re-entered on this thing, but fortunately it kept going even after our re-entry, and we have an additional $1,000 in open trade in Arrowhead Pharmaceuticals. And then the other good one that we had today was SRPT, and that is Sarepta Therapeutics. I may have shown you this chart yesterday. I can't remember. Anyway, yesterday it gapped up. We bought the gap. It did close in our favor yesterday. It opened lower this morning, but then shot up there very nicely for our exit. And we ended up taking $2,700 in profits out of Sarepta Therapeutics. So that looked like a good one too. Anyway, that's the way it went. Kind of a slow day, but we did make some money. This is Trader Bob signing off. See you tomorrow on Thursday.